In this video, I'll guide you through how to open a port in AWS. Whether you're setting up a new application or just need to tweak security settings, understanding how to manage ports in AWS is essential. So, let's dive in and explore this process together. First, you'll want to head over to the AWS Management Console. Once you're there, look towards the top of the screen where you'll see a search bar. In that search bar, type EC2. As you type, you'll see EC2 pop up in the list below. Go ahead and select it. This will take you to your EC2 dashboard, where all your instances and related resources are managed. Once you're in the EC2 dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation sidebar. Here, you'll find various sections related to networking and security. You're going to want to look under the section labeled Network and Security and click on Security Groups. Security groups are like virtual firewalls for your instances, and they control the inbound and outbound traffic. Now, you'll see a list of security groups. These are organized by their IDs and names. You need to click on the security group ID or the name of the group that is attached to the instance you're working with. Selecting the correct group is crucial because this is where we'll make changes to allow traffic through a specific port. Once you're inside the panel for your chosen security group, look towards the bottom of the page for a tab that says Inbound Rules. This tab is where you manage the rules that govern incoming traffic to your instances. Go ahead and click on this tab to bring up the current rules. On the right-hand side of this panel, you'll see a button that says Edit Inbound Rules. Click this button to enter the configuration layout where you can make changes to your rules. In the configuration layout page, you should see an option to Add Rule. Click on this button to create a new rule for your security group. This is where you specify which port you want to open and the type of traffic you want to allow. Now, it's time to fill out the new rule row. You'll need to specify the type of protocol, the port range, and the source from which you want to allow traffic. For example, if you're opening port 80 for HTTP traffic, you would select HTTP as the type. This automatically fills in the standard port number for HTTP. You can also customize the source IP range. If you want to allow traffic from anywhere, you can set this to 0.0.0.0/0. However, be cautious with this setting, as it opens the port to the entire internet. After you've filled out the details for your new rule, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the page and click it. This action updates the security group and applies your new rule, effectively opening the port you specified. And there you have it. You've successfully opened a port in AWS. This simple guide has walked you through the process step by step, ensuring your application can communicate as needed while maintaining security. Remember, managing your ports correctly is crucial for balancing accessibility and security. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.